Now we talk about key characteristics and information about the 7th house in astrology. Point 1. House of Relationships. The 7th house is commonly known as the House of Relationships. It represents partnerships, marriage, and one-on-one connections. 2. Marriage and committed partnerships. This house is specifically associated with marriage and committed partnerships. It signifies your approach to long-term relationships, your expectations from a partner, and your capacity for compromise and harmony. 3. Business partnerships. The 7th house also governs business partnerships and collaborations. It reflects your ability to form successful alliances, negotiate contracts, and engage in cooperative ventures. Point 4. Open enemies. In addition to close relationships, the 7th house represents open enemies or opponents. It indicates how you handle conflicts, disputes, and opposition from others. Point 5. Diplomacy and negotiation. This house highlights your ability to negotiate, mediate, and find common ground in relationships. It reflects your diplomatic skills and your capacity for maintaining balance and harmony. 6. Attraction and compatibility. The 7th house signifies attraction and compatibility in relationships. It reveals the qualities you seek in a partner and the factors that draw you to others. 7. Relationship patterns. This house sheds light on your relationship patterns and dynamics. It can indicate recurring themes or challenges that you may encounter in partnerships and how you approach resolving them. 8. Projection and mirroring. The 7th house reflects how you project your identity onto others and how they mirror aspects of yourself back to you within relationships. It represents the concept of the other as a mirror for self-discovery. 9. Legal matters. This house is also associated with legal matters, contracts, and agreements. It signifies your approach to legal partnerships, legal disputes, and the resolution of legal matters. 10. Harmonious connections. Ultimately, the 7th house represents your desire for harmonious and balanced connections with others. It reflects your need for companionship, cooperation, and the experience of mutual support and love. Remember, the interpretation of astrological houses can vary depending on the entire birth chart and the aspects formed by planets within the 7th house. It is always recommended to consult with a professional astrologer for a personalized analysis. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Whether it's a helpful tutorial, an entertaining vlog, or a thought-provoking discussion, you'll have front-row access to all our future content.